see you. Paint your face, play some games, meet some neighbors, learn some names.